So essentially I wanted to just give you guys a little update on what's been going on here at Vicrez. This is our new facility here in the Midwest, one of our newest facilities. Still work in progress. We almost finished setting up everything. I mean, as you can see, we have over there some tires. All those tires are pretty much for the wide body. And those are really hard for us to keep in stock. I know every time we get those orders out for the wide body, we always out of stock. We have fenders, fender replacement, hoods, trunks, pretty much anything when it comes to replacement parts for any muscle cars, trucks, American trucks as well. And right over there we have a splitter section, some hoods over there that I think they're currently working on. And then we have some fender replacement here for the Model X, Model Y, Model 3 as well. Some more hoods here. I think this is for the Tundra. It's a little cold in here. Just recently snowed here in Oklahoma. We're in Oklahoma right now. We got carbon fiber parts replacements, carbon fiber hoods, bumpers, especially for any muscle cars and American trucks. Right here we have the Dodge Challenger hoods. These are pretty popular, really hard for us to keep in stock. We have the 2168. This is a GT500 hood, OEM replacements. These are the trunks, bumpers for the Rams, also for the Ram trucks, more replacement parts. What is this? We have more hoods, bumpers. So once again, if it's on stock in Vicrez, if it has the in stock button at vicrez.com, it's in stock. Otherwise, usually if it's out of stock, we're back ordered. Normally it takes three to 4 weeks for us to restock. Oh yeah, we had replacement doors for the Grand Cherokee, for the truck hawks. We have more hoods, doors for the Tundra, F-150, Sierra. What else? More bumpers right over here. It's pretty cool, guys. More bumpers. Those are for the, I think the Challenger or Charger, or the Mustang. Not too sure. Here's a splitter section, some more splitter section over here. We have some wheels here for the. I think those are for the wide body, right? For the Dodge Challenger, Charger, Durango, and Jeep Trackhawks. The wide body too. That's also been working on. Here we have more hoods, bumpers, door replacement, trunks, more fender replacements, vinyl, and of course the vinyl. So pretty much any color, for 500 colors, no, 400 colors. Most of them, I mean, if not, I want to say about 95% of them in stock. That's a fender for, I think it's for a truck, I think it's the Sierra 2500. And of course, more trunks over there, more hoods over here. No hoods, bumpers. This is the 1820, which is the, 1820, the front bumper for the Charger. GT500 hood for the F-150. Those are really popular too. And once again, we're still setting up. We're trying to get the lighting set up here. All auto curb or vinyl, more bumpers for the Charger, the SRT. What is this for? Yeah, this is the 2199, which is the wide body conversion for the Dodge Chargers. So that's really popular too. We barely can keep it in stock. More vinyl, I know it's a little dark. About 95% of our entire catalog for the vinyl, it's in stock. Also, I mean, as you guys already know, we're working on the application where you can see in real time our entire catalog. Hoods, rear diffusers, bumpers for the Charger, Challenger, or wheels. We have even hoods over there. I think those are for the Model 3, the Tesla Model 3. Side skirts, rocker panels, wheels, more wheels. So once again, if it's in stock, it ships within 24 to 48 hours. And if you're a Vicrez Plus member, you get expedited shipping, priority shipping, and access to our application, to a 3D application where you can see in real time our catalog or wheels in over 300 different vehicles. Model 3 trunks or performance line, which is the exhaust system and air suspension, coilovers, and wheels. And once again, guys, thank you guys so much for the unconditional support. It's been quite a few years since we started, like a few years. And yeah, we're just here to, keep hustling, keep going strong, staying on that grind. At the beginning, inventory, it was a little a big issue, getting everything on our website, unloaded to our website, showing like the right stock. But now that has been fixed, so we're in a better place. If you take a look over here, we have our wide bodies, bumpers, and going out, which is 2199, which is the wide body conversion that they're all going out. Those are pretty popular too. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is a walkthrough from our Midwest location. I hope you guys kind of like this type of videos, and we'll see you guys next time.